Gulbahar, located 76 kilometers north of Kabul, on the way to Parwan and KSl provinces. The city is located on the Panjshir River and has a temperate and lush climate. The city is an important communication route between Kabul and northern Afghanistan. Gulbahar is located in an area between Parwan and KSl provinces and is sometimes considered part of its services and facilities in KSl. In the past, it was one of the important industrial centers of Afghanistan. The famous Gulbahar textile factory operated in this city, whose textile products were supplied throughout the country and abroad. It has beautiful nature, fruit gardens, especially mulberry and apricot, and a tempered climate. The language of the majority of the people in this region is Dari Persian, as is the University of Al-Biruni, which is located in Gulbahar, the first part of the Kohistan of KSl. And Al-Biruni University Abu Rayhan Al-Biruni is the fifth largest state university in Afghanistan.